Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of vegetable oil, 100 grams of chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Firstly, to your milk add your oil, your egg, and your vanilla extract, and mix until well combined. Then to your flour add your sugar and your chocolate chips and mix until well combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then to a cupcake tray lined with cupcake cases, you simply want to spoon your mixture into each case. And then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate chip muffins.